10 times 7 is 70. What's 7 times 3? We only got 2, everybody. What the heck, guys? What's 4 times 5? Oh, I know this one. It's 20. 5 times 10 is 50. 11 times 2 is 22. What's 3 times 4? Tell me. Yeah, you're right. It's 12. 5 times 5. What's it? 5 is 25. 2 times 10 is 20. Guys, what is it? 8 times 4, 8 times 4. What is 8 times 4? Counting skills. 32? Oh, 7 out of 7. That's quite a good score, everybody. That's quite a good score. You want to agree with me? If you do, like and subscribe. Okay. Let's keep playing. 11 times 3 is 43. 7 times 5, what is it? 7 times 5? No. Okay, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. 7 times 7, 45, 42, 49. 8 times 4, have we already answered this? I think we've already answered this. 32. 12 times 2, 24. 7 times 6. 7, 14, 21, 28, 45, 42. Oh, this one's hard. Let's just say it's 6. We got it wrong. That's right. 6 out of 7. And 6 right. But at least we made it. We made it. Okay, let's play again. We're going 3 times 12. You don't know the answer. You know, 30. 36 is fine for tell me that's 36. Everyone knows this one point. We're going 4 times 4 is 12. Am I right? No, it's 16. I knew that. 12 times 7. What is it, everybody? 7, 14, 21, 28, 45, 42, 49. Oh, let's just see. Answer it, guys. Finally, 10 times 12 is 120. 12 times 9.